Hi guys, this is Allie. Welcome to Lazy A-Hole Ranch. Actually, this is Lazy Daisy Hideaway. It is next door to our house and is Mike's mom's house. Today we'll be talking a little bit more about the radiant floor heating and the changes that have happened at mom's house, as well as putting in the septic tank. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.
Okay everyone, I am standing in Mike's mom's basement, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about her radiant floor heat. This right here is her boiler. This black pipe coming in here is the propane line. So the propane line comes into the boiler to heat up the water. This will heat the water for the whole house and also for the radiant floor heat. The whole house is on a separate circuit. So that comes up, basically, the way it comes in is this is the pressure tank for the house, for the well, and the water comes in through this blue line here, and it comes across the ceiling. Up here, which I don't think you can see, is a T. So this tees into the boiler here. So this is the inlet for the boiler, it tees in here. Boiler heats it up, and then it comes out the red pipe here. And that's for the house. The blue and red PEX signifies the piping that is for the domestic water line. All of this copper stuff goes into the radiant floor heat, and the radiant floor heat is white PEX. So this is a boiler. It's pretty cool. I always envisioned boilers as big giant things. I didn't know they had these little units. It kind of reminds me of the tankless water heater that we're going to get. Because this is a closed system, there has to be an expansion tank so that when you heat up the water, it has somewhere to go to. And then this system, this is all of her radiant floor heating. I think there are 5 zones for the house. There are 2 down here in the basement, and then there's 1 for the guest room, 1 for her room, and 1 for the main living area of the house. So the thermostat is connected to this box, and the valve control is here. So when the thermostat talks to this box, it tells the valve control, I need warm water here. That opens the valve to this particular zone, which in this one is the guest bedroom. And that would heat up the guest bedroom. That way you can kind of control which areas of the house are a little warmer than the others. And that is how the radiant floor heating works. Her appliances and cabinets have been delivered and are ready to be installed. Talk to me about the drain on the tub.
Yeah, so the drain line was on this side of the floor joist and close, and was going to make it weird to make that turn. So it looks like they moved the drain to the back side of the tub. So this will be under the floor of the tub, so they'll just turn it that way to run it in the drain. And then they'll cut a hole for the overflow in the tub somewhere up high. Then the thing will come through and have a pretty little plate and junk on it. So if you forget to turn the water off or whatever, it'll not be a disaster. So this is turned around this way and all drains out there, and everything's happy.
And then once they finish the installing tub stuff, it'll be drywall time, right?
Yeah, insulation and drywall.
Okay. Inside Mama's house, you can really see how this light tube is lighting this space up. You can't see it as well on this wall. I'll turn you around and show you the bathroom on the other side where the other light tube is. So you can see the light tube here, and you can see just how much light it's throwing on the walls around. Here is the wiring for the thermostat. You can also see her decking is down, and it looks awesome. And this is Trex decking.
Already set this up.
Of course, the first thing that you need for a septic tank is a giant hole. And I just wanted to let you guys know that we've started another channel. It's called The Lazy A-Hole Recliner Show. I had some people that just wanted to see build videos on this channel, so the other channel's gonna have gardening, side projects, all that other stuff. A little peek into our lives. I don't know about you guys, but I've really been enjoying studying Bob's hand signals. It's helped me communicate with Mike while he's using the backhoe. And he's really picking it up too. Of course, nothing is as simple as we'd like it to be. So we ran into frost and it took Mike a little while to figure out how to get through it. So we are digging a pit for her septic tank, but at the same time, we are also doing exploratory surgery. Because previously we put in the septic line and we had put in a stake to mark it, but some brilliant person ran over it multiple times. Yeah, so exploratory surgery. And of course I missed the crucial moment. Oh look, we found the septic line.
You got a radiator thing going on?
Yeah, there's something with the cooling system. It's a little soft.
To tell you the damn truth, I didn't think it was here. I thought it was over here.
No, I was fairly certain it was here, just not that far.
Well, it would have helped if they'd have left the damn stake in it.
Yeah. Well, then he put it back after I jumped his shit. Well, put another stake in after I jumped his shit about it, and then busted that one off. He said, "Oh yeah, don't worry about it. I know where it is, and I'll put it back in there." And he didn't.
So of course, we ran out of daylight again and had to work by flashlight for a bit. The septic guy was supposed to be there between 8 and 10 a.m. the next morning, so we planned to get up at 6:30 in the morning and start. Mike found the end of the septic pipe, which thankfully had broken off right at the coupler, so he was able to clean that out easily.
Hey,
Yeah.
I was just fixing to walk out the door, and I got a call from Front Range, so I bought us 2 hours.
Alrighty. Well, got that bitch surgeryed out, so
Oh, you're amazing. Thank you.
pretty good shape. Yeah, it came out pretty clean.
Yeah, it looks great.
I'm pleased.
Yay!
A little bit of dirt, but that's okay. It's not cracked.
Yeah. And that will kind of count the minimum distance we need to go here.
Bob is figuring out where the damaged part of the pipe is so we can cut it out and figure out the minimum distance he needs in the pit.
Now, you know what I forgot?
What?
I forgot the glue.
Oh, I probably have some. I'll go grab it.
But never get tired of being our hero, okay?
Yeah, shit, there's 12 feet.
12?
Yeah.
So you gotta be sure that you face this way. Now, when it's going fast like that, you need to come down. And you go slow as soon as you go up. You see, we're right close, because each one of those is a tenth of an inch.
Of course, we still weren't ready on time, and we had to pay a little extra for the guy to stand around and wait for us. We ran into some more frost, and then we had to level out the pit a little bit. This will hold years of poop. And it wasn't quite right on the first try, so we had to pull it back out and level it a little bit more. But at the tail end of the day, the tank was in. Hindsight is 2020. And we would have started a little earlier had we known it was going to take so long. I mean, it was kind of a crappy job, but we got through it. I'm sorry, I'll stop.
You got a quarter of a bubble.
So that's some kind of like cemented piece of
We call it pookie.
Pookie?
And I don't know where that name came from, but when it smashes down, that's the best sealant you ever had.
Okay.
And it'll be soft, pliable years from now.
So does it act more like a caulk kind of thing, or does it more like an adhesive?
It's
or?
an adhesive and a caulk and a sealant and everything.
Okay, okay.
All rolled up into one black thing.
I've just never seen anything like that, so I figured I'd ask.
It's
And I'm
amazing
sure-
stuff.
Did you guys know that I make soap? You can buy some at lazyaholeranch.com. You can also find out more about our arched cabin build, including the cost of building an arched cabin. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you taking time out of your day to spend with us. Now get out there and do the thing. I know you can.
Yeah, that'll be a bit of all right.
Yeah, this has worked out really good.